Good afternoon or morning, I guess, guys. I hope you're doing okay. I'm going to give you a quick description of today's activity, which will be the last activity in our unit on our traditional recipe booklet unit. For this activity, you are going to need to watch a video and answer some questions. This And you also need to be sure that you've turned in your summative assessment, which was due on Friday. If you haven't turned it in, you and your parents will have received an email from me reminding you to do that. So make sure that it's been turned in. So the video today is called Food is Not Only Culture, It's Diplomacy. It's a really interesting video about a woman who started, well, this woman has started a program where she lets well, her and her partners, they bring immigrants to come into a kitchen in New York City and teach cooking classes to people to share their cultures and spread awareness about where they're from. So they're using food as a tool to spread awareness about culture. She's really has a lot of really cool insight on food and its relation to culture, and I hope that you'll really enjoy the video. After that, you're going to answer these questions here, our final unit reflection activity. You'll go to this page and you'll answer all these questions. I ask that you please be thoughtful in your answers. Please don't give me one sentence answers. Try to elaborate and explain yourself. Give reasons and examples for every answer that you give, okay? And when you finish that, you can submit your work. It's due by the end of the day today, so just please get it in before, before too late this evening. So that I can check it tomorrow. Later this week on Wednesday, we'll do a Google Meet class. So I'll be sending you a link for that I hope that you all join me at. This is a mandatory class. I really would like to see you, so if you can't make it for some other reason, please let me know, send me an email. But we need to touch base together as a class. So on Wednesday, we'll have a group class all together, and I'll share with you our new unit and what we'll be doing for our new unit then on Wednesday. So good luck with this final reflection activity. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to read all of your thoughtful answers, and I will talk to you on Wednesday. Email me if you have any questions or write a comment on the post, and I will talk to you later, guys. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.